So this is the zucchini I'm going to use today to make zucchini frittata. And I'm going to grate the zucchinis and then stay tuned. So I'm grating the zucchini all in here. And as we know, the zucchini is 90% water. So we have to drain the water out of it after we grate them. The zucchini is completely grated, and now I'm gonna strain it in one of these cotton strainers. So I'm gonna strain the shredded zucchini in here, just to strain the water, because it's too much. It's watery. So make sure you strain all of the water. And continue so on with everything else. I'm gonna use 4 eggs because I had four zucchini, medium zucchini. Because if you have only 2, use just 2 eggs. And instead of the goat cheese, I'm gonna use Parmesan cheese because I don't have, but you can use any kind of cheese. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of salt in the grated zucchini because the salt will bring the water out. So I'll be using 2 shallots as well, and 1 cup of almond flour, and half feta cheese and half Parmesan cheese. I'm cutting the shallots. So now everything is prepped to make the zucchini frittata. And stay tuned. So now I'm adding the shallots, the cheese, the feta cheese, the almond flour, the eggs, and some of the Parmesan cheese on the side. I'm just gonna mix it. Salt. Pepper. And then you stir it, not too much, just to mix the ingredients. So the consistency is ready, it's perfect. And I used oregano and parsley, pepper and salt, and just because I like to use my herbs. And stay tuned. So the patties are this big, and then we're using a non-stick pan. And I'm using coconut oil. So they're perfectly done. Love it. So now I'm making the dip for the frittata. 1 cup of yogurt. And I'm putting, I don't have chives, so I'm putting a handful of parsley, fresh parsley, and 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Oops, eh? So mix them together. And voila, the dip is ready. So the dip is ready, so now I'm going to decorate the top of this. Looks perfect. Voila. I hope you guys try it. Hello. This is the zucchini frittata, and this is the end result of it. I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!